You can distribute objects so they have equal spacing between the objects, either vertically or horizontally, or both vertically and horizontally. You must have 3 or more objects selected to do this. I'm working with a group design, so I'm going to right-click first and ungroup. I'm also going to activate manual centering. I'm going to move my first object as far up in the hoop as I want it, and my other object down toward the bottom of the hoop. I'm going to select all of them and then go to the Arrange toolbox and space evenly down. Now notice it did not align centers. If I wanted to align the centers vertically, I would have to click on Align Centers Vertically, and then they would be both equally spaced and aligned. This time we'll space the objects evenly across. So I will move one design to the far left, another design to the far right, and then select all the objects and space evenly across. Once again, the objects don't automatically align centers horizontally. I could click on Align Centers Horizontally, and then they would all be spaced and moved so centers align. You can access these spacing tools through the Arrange toolbox, through the Arrange menu, or by right-clicking, going to Align and Space, and choosing either Space Evenly Across or Evenly Down.